To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. An, the. These are articles. And an are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. Articles come before nouns. They're used to modify the noun and to give basic information about the noun being referred to. We can identify whether the noun being referred to is a singular noun or a plural noun. We can also identify whether the noun is a specific noun or a general noun. The indefinite articles a and an are used to refer to general singular nouns. The definite article the is used to refer to a specific noun. This can be singular or plural. The indefinite article a is used before singular nouns beginning with consonants. For example, a house, a book, a dog, a car, a ruler. All of these nouns begin with consonants. H, B, D, C, R. The indefinite article an is used before singular nouns beginning with vowels. For example, an apple, an egg, an orange, an insect, an hour. All of these nouns begin with vowel sounds. Remember, both a and an refer to general nouns. The definite article the is used before specific singular and plural nouns. For example, the tree, the cow, the van, the snake, the clock.